Okay, now we will explain the 11th chapter of HESHOUTANG natural health system. It is called Toxicity of herbs. You know, on the last chapter, we mentioned side effects and herbs. And we mentioned toxicity of herbs in that chapter 2. But today, we will explain specially about the toxicity of herbs, so our people can have the certain clear information about the toxicity of herbs. Toxicity refers to the bias of herbs or herbal products. What is the bias? The bias is, in fact, we can see the preferred feature. You know, in the herbs or the herbal products knowledge, we didn't use the structure to describe the herbs or herbal products. We didn't use the structure, designs, function. We didn't use this kind of knowledge to describe the herbs. What we will use? We use temperature and taste. So it's different system comparing with conventional medicine. Especially for the temperature. It is classified as cool, cold, warm, hot, and neutral. So generally we mention 4 temperatures, like cool, cold, warm, and hot. And what is the temperature bias of the herbs? We can see if this kind of herb, it is very cold. And we can see this kind of herb, it has cold bias. Cold bias. If this herb, it is very hot, and we can see this herb has the hot bias. In another way, the cold herbs, they have the cold toxicity. The hot herbs, they have the hot toxicity. You know, the cold and hot, it is strong power. We can see strong cold or strong hot. In another way, we can see strong cold toxicity or strong hot toxicity. But why we see the toxicity or toxic herbs, we are not meaning they are bad. It is because for the natural health knowledge or the traditional Chinese medicine knowledge, when we describing the problems or the health issues of human beings, we also have to tell, or we also use the cold or the hot features to describe it. I just give example. if the people have the watery diarrhea. Watery diarrhea, it tells you in your body, wherever your digestion system or your kidney system, okay, it has the cold toxin in the system. This cold toxin makes you have the watery diarrhea. So when we see this, we will use the hot toxicity herbs or hot toxic herbs to manage this kind of problems. So cold toxin in your body, we use hot toxin herbs or hot toxin formulas products to deal with it. You will be fine. Your problems will be healed. Your energy will be balanced. So that is why we see the toxicity doesn't mean this herb or that herb is bad. The only way to describe the herbs or herbal products is if this herb or this formula or this product is correct for you or not. If it is correct for you, even strong toxic herbs or the formulas can fix your problems, can solve your problems down, can make you healthy. The first important is what? After these strong toxic herbs fixed your problems, you should stop it timely. That is the key. That is why we need individualized health. We have to have the well-trained or qualified members to give you guidance, to make you stop the formulas or the herbs, especially the strong herbs or the formulas or the products. So the only way is if it is correct for you or not. The correctness is the only word to describe herbs or the herbal products. Okay? So toxicity doesn't mean you cannot use it. It depends on what kind of problems you have, what kind of property problems you have. And then you can be okay with even the toxic herbs or herbal products. I hope this kind of information can help you to understand the natural health correctly and deeply. Thank you.